Hi, and welcome to Advanced Data Structures and Algorithms in Python. My name is Ionescu Vlad Sebastian. I am a computer science PhD in machine learning and a university lecturer. I am very passionate about data structures and algorithms, and I have been using Python for doing my research and also for teaching my classes for over 5 years. Let's talk a bit about the course overview. We will start section 1. In the first section, we will cover problems that are seemingly complex but have very easy to code solutions. In the following section, we will still aim to keep the code clean and simple, but we will deal with slightly more difficult challenges. Next, we will start discussing recursive algorithms. This is where we start going outside the material that most books teach. But don't be discouraged, it's all still very hands-on. In section 4, we go over dynamic programming problems. Some of these have been used or are still used as interview problems or online hiring tests. Section 5 expands on this with more interesting and fun dynamic programming problems and approaches. In section 6, we go over some tree data structures with a focus on ones that are both useful and not covered in most curriculums. Section 7 concludes this course with a couple of graph theory problems which are also seldom discussed in most sources. In order to get the most out of this course, it is recommended that you have a basic knowledge of Python and algebra, and for software we require PyCharm with Python 3x and any hardware that can run this software. This course is for developers who want to get hands-on experience with data structures and algorithms by working on practical problems that can show up in interviews or hiring tests. We assume that you have programming knowledge in some language, even if not in Python. Because if you have any kind of programming knowledge, it should be very easy for you to understand the code, and we will explain everything that has to do with the algorithms and the math behind them. So, prior knowledge of algorithms and data structures is not necessary. You get a hands-on guide to learning how to think and solve challenging algorithmic problems. You will also enrich your knowledge of data structures with a deeper understanding of the ones you've probably heard about already. Also, you will learn new data structures that you have not seen before, most likely, and techniques that are going to be useful both to pass your interviews and to optimize your applications in practice. So, let's get started.